Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP function just in 1 minute. VLOOKUP function is used to search a value in the first column of a table and then return a value in the same row from another column. Here I want to find Bob Smith's salary. So the VLOOKUP function will search Bob Smith in the first column and then return its salary from salary column. To find it, click formula bar, then type VLOOKUP. First argument is lookup value. It is select the cell. It will search this Bob Smith in the first column. Then the second argument is table array. Select the whole array without columns. Then column index number. So this I want to find salary is index number is 4. Then type false for exact match. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.